War veterans, the very backbone of the ruling ZANU-PF party's power, are now standing up against President Emmerson Mnangagwa. These are not just any citizens. These are the veterans who helped Mnangagwa come into power by aiding in the 2017 coup that ousted former President Robert Mugabe. And now, they're demanding a significant reshuffle in his cabinet and Politburo. Why this sudden demand, you ask? Well, the veterans feel sidelined, overlooked in favor of newcomers who haven't shared their long history of struggle and sacrifice. It's not just about positions in the government. The veterans' grievances extend to what they perceive as judicial capture and the misuse of law by top party officials. This isn't just a power struggle. It's a clash over the very integrity and direction of the government. In response, President Mnangagwa has made promises, big promises. He's pledged to empower these war veterans with better economic opportunities, education, and healthcare benefits, trying to integrate them more into the socio-economic development of Zimbabwe. But will this be enough to quell the unrest and meet their demands? The situation is tense and the implications are significant, not just for the political elite, but for the ordinary Zimbabwean. Stability, governance, and the future direction of Zimbabwe hang in the balance. As we watch this situation unfold, it's clear that the war veterans, once the staunch defenders of the regime, could now be the catalysts for change, for better or worse. How this will impact Zimbabwe's future is something we'll all be keeping an eye on. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated on how this story develops. Thanks for watching.